Good morning, class. In our last class, in my last two classes, I've given you the assignment 10 and 11. And it has been observed that most of you have not submitted that both the assignments. So please do it and submit it on time. So today I am giving you the solutions of assignment 10 and 11. So those who have done mistake, please correct it. So solution of assignment 10, question number 1 was tick the most appropriate answer. And the question number 1 was what is the symbol of iron? It is option B, Fe, iron. Next we have got which of the following is a homogeneous mixture? So out of this, homogeneous mixture is brass, because brass is an alloy of two or more metals. Homogeneous mixture of two or more metals, so alloy is the correct option. Next, question number 3 is what is the settling down of the insoluble heavy solid particles in a solid liquid mixture called? We call that process as sedimentation. The settling of heavy insoluble solid particles, we call it as sedimentation. Next, question number 4, which process can be used to obtain common salt from seawater? The correct option is evaporation. Question number 5, which of the following is used to obtain pure copper sulfate in the form of crystals from its saturated solution? This we have studied in crystallization. Next, continuation of question number 1. 6, tick the most appropriate answer. Which of the following process works on the basis of the difference in the boiling point of liquid? It is fractional distillation. Question number 7, which of the following is used to separate oil from water? Separating funnel. And question number 8, which of the following is used to separate complex mixtures like colored dyes from ink? It is chromatography. Okay. So chromatography is used to separate the complex mixtures like colored dyes. Fine. This is question number 1. The question number 2 was fill in the blanks. The first is the dash of an element is the abbreviation of its full name. So the symbol. Natrium is the Latin name of sodium. A dash is always made up of the same elements combined in a fixed ratio. It's a compound. The number of atoms present in a molecule of an element is called its atomicity. The insoluble solid left behind on the filter paper during filtration is called residue. Miscible liquids are separated by the process of fractional distillation. And a separating funnel is used to separate two immiscible liquids. So this is the fill in the blanks correct answers. Next, question number 3 was write true or false, correct the false statement. Now, number 1, the IPC approves the names and symbols of new elements. It's true. A compound is made up of one element. It's false. So the correct statement will be a compound is made up of two or more elements. Okay. The properties of compound are different from those of its constituent elements. That's true. A mixture has a fixed melting or boiling point. False, because a mixture does not have a fixed melting or boiling point. The constituents of a mixture can be separated by simple physical means. It's true. The separation of a mixture of liquids by distillation is called fractional distillation. It is also true. And miscible liquids are separated by using a separating funnel. It's false. So we can correct the statement as immiscible liquids are separated by using a separating funnel. Fine. So this is the solution for assignment 10. Next, solution for assignment 11. I have given you match the columns. So with match the columns, these are the mixtures and these are the method of separation. You need to match it. So separating kerosene from water is separating funnel. Separating alcohol from water, fractional distillation. Separating chalk powder from water, filtration. Separating camphor from common salt, camphor is a sublime, so it undergoes sublimation process. And question number 5, separating common salt from seawater, it is evaporation. So one will be left as unused. So this is how we will match the column. You just give the number on this. Fine. Next. So the next question number 2 was think and answer. Question number 1 was air and tap water are mixtures. Explain. So, air is a heterogeneous mixture of gases, oxygen, nitrogen, and carbon dioxide, etc. The molecules of each constituent of air are different from each other. And tap water is a homogeneous mixture of salt and minerals dissolved in it. Because of that, they are called as mixtures. Question number 2. Oil and water form a heterogeneous mixture. Why? Oil and water form a heterogeneous mixture as they do not have uniform constituents and properties throughout. The mixture forms two clear layers. After some time, the lighter liquid, that is oil, forms the upper layer and the heavier liquid water forms the lower layer. So this is why oil and water forms a heterogeneous mixtures. These are the reasons. Next, alum increases the rate of sedimentation. Why? Because alum dissolves in water and makes the clay particles heavier and increases the rate of sedimentation. So that will increase the rate. So those who have done mistake, please correct it, and those who have not done this assignments for assignment 10 and 11, please complete and send it in my mail.